A healthy lifestyle is not a destination, but a journey. It's a continuous process of making choices that enhance your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. It's about making small, sustainable changes that benefit your physical and mental well-being. These changes can be as simple as choosing to eat more fruits and vegetables, drinking more water, or taking a few minutes each day to meditate and clear your mind. The benefits are numerous, from increased energy levels to improved mood and reduced risk of chronic diseases. Engaging in regular physical activity, whether it's cycling with friends, stretching in the morning sunlight, or playing sports, can significantly boost your overall health. It's about feeling your best each day. When you take care of your body and mind, you set yourself up for a more fulfilling and enjoyable life. Remember, building a healthy lifestyle is a personal endeavor. It's important to set realistic and achievable goals that align with your individual needs and preferences. Focus on what works best for you and gradually incorporate these habits into your daily routine. Meal prepping, following a workout routine, and practicing mindfulness are all excellent ways to stay on track. It's not about perfection, but about progress. Celebrate your small victories and keep moving forward. Every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a step towards a better you. Start your day with a refreshing glass of water to rehydrate your body after sleep. Incorporate light exercise into your morning routine, even if it's just a few minutes of stretching or a brisk walk. A balanced breakfast is crucial for providing energy throughout the morning. These morning rituals set a positive tone for the day, boosting your energy levels and mental clarity. The afternoon slump is real, and it can hit you hard when you least expect it. You might find yourself yawning at your desk or struggling to keep your eyes open during a meeting, but you can combat it with healthy habits that are easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Start by staying hydrated. Drinking water throughout the day can make a significant difference in how you feel. Opt for a balanced lunch that includes lean protein, whole grains, and vegetables. This combination provides sustained energy and keeps you feeling full longer, preventing that mid-afternoon crash. Take short breaks throughout the day to step away from your work or studies. Even a 5-minute break can help clear your mind and improve your concentration. Engage in light physical activity like a quick walk or stretching. These activities increase blood flow and oxygen to your brain, helping you stay alert and focused. To re-energize your body and mind, consider doing light exercises at your desk or taking a refreshing break outdoors. Fresh air and a change of scenery can work wonders. These simple adjustments help maintain your energy levels and focus throughout the afternoon. By incorporating these habits, you can keep your momentum going and finish your day strong, feeling accomplished and energized. Section 4. Evening unwinding, prioritizing rest. As the sun sets and the sky is painted with hues of orange and pink, it's time to shift our focus towards unwinding and preparing for a restful night. As the day winds down, prioritize relaxation and quality sleep. Engage in calming activities like meditation or gentle stretching to signal to your body that it's time to relax. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine, such as taking a warm bath or reading a book. These activities can help ease your mind and body, making it easier to drift into a peaceful sleep. Create a comfortable sleep environment by ensuring your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Consider using blackout curtains, earplugs, or a white noise machine to block out any disturbances. A good night's sleep is essential for physical and mental recovery, setting you up for a productive day ahead. Waking up refreshed and energized allows you to tackle the day's challenges with a clear mind and a positive attitude. Section 5. A holistic approach connecting mind and body. A holistic approach to health involves caring for both your physical and mental well-being. Incorporate mindfulness practices into your day, such as meditation or deep breathing exercises. Engage in activities that bring you joy and help you unwind. Remember, your mental health is just as important as your physical health. Section 6. Small changes, big rewards, the long-term benefits. Building a healthy lifestyle is a journey, not a race. Focus on making small, sustainable changes over time. Celebrate your progress and be patient with yourself. The long-term benefits of a healthy lifestyle are well worth the effort. You've got this.